Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 4. Dear children, today in this session we will do the worksheet based on chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's start. Open page number 46 to start the objectives given on page number 46 and 47. A. Fill in the blanks. A computer can understand only two states, dash and dash. A computer can understand only two states, on and off. The set of characters that represent facts or figures is known as dash. The set of characters that represent facts or figures is known as data. The dash buttons provides the ability to open multiple desktop at the same time. The task view button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. Fourth one, spelling and grammar button is present on the dash tab. Spelling and grammar button is present on the review tab. Fifth one, dash alignment places the text evenly between the left and the right margin. Justify alignment places the text evenly between the left and the right margin. Dear children, the answers has been displayed on the screen so that you should write correctly in your book. Now next, state true or false. Whatever we feed into the computer gets converted into a machine code. Dear children, the statement is correct, so write T for it. Quick launch bar is present at the extreme right of the taskbar. The statement is false because the quick launch bar is the middle section of the taskbar and the taskbar is at the bottom of the screen. Quick launch bar, you all know, is present between the start button and the notification area. Now third one, so mark it F. Now third one, icons are the small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. The statement is true, mark T. You can select the entire text of a document by using Shift plus A key combination. Mark T because the statement is true. Alignment refers to the positioning of the text on a page. Again, the statement is true, so mark T. And I have displayed the answers for you so that you should mark it correctly. Now, C. Write the shortcut key combination for the following. To select the text from the current position to the beginning of a line, you have to press Shift plus Home key. The shortcut key combination is Shift plus Home. Second one, to check spellings and grammars, the shortcut key is F7 key. To enter blank lines in the bulleted or number list, the shortcut key combination is Shift plus Enter. To select the entire text of a document, the shortcut key command is Ctrl plus A. Dear children, the answers has been displayed for you. Write the answers properly and learn it. Now, take a pencil and a scale to mark the answers. You have to match the given words or sentences. So, first one, hard disk. Hard disk was invented by Ray Johnson. So, take a scale and a pencil and draw a straight line over there. Now, compact disc was invented by James Russell. So, draw the line between the two dots. To open Word document, press Ctrl plus O. So, draw a straight line joining To open Word document, press to Ctrl O. Spelling and grammar, press F7 key. So join the two dots. And I have displayed the answer correctly. Tally the answers again. Now, next question, page number 47A. Here, few multiple choice questions are given. First one is, flash drive is popularly known as dash. The options are pen drive, disk drive, data drive. And the correct answer is pen drive. Flash drive is popularly known as pen drive. Speaker icon is present on the dash. Options are quick launch bar, notification area, title bar. And the correct option is notification area because speaker icon is present on the notification area. Now, in a Word document, grammatical errors are indicated by dash. Red wavy line, blue wavy line, green wavy line. Dear children, the correct option is C, green wavy line. Word document, grammatical errors are indicated in Word document. Grammatical errors are indicated by green wavy line. Now, fourth one, the default font in Word 2016 is A. Calibri, B. Times New Roman, C. Arial, and the correct answer is Calibri A. Fifth one, dash case converts the case of every selected character in reverse manner, and the correct answer is toggle. Toggle case converts the case of every selected selected character in reverse manner. Dear children, check the answers. The correct answers are displayed on the screen. Now, next question B. Answer in one word. Name the memory which stores the information temporarily and works like a blackboard. Dear children, the answer is RAM. RAM, random access memory. Name the default browser of Windows 10. The correct answer is Microsoft Edge. The answers I have displayed it here. Now, which option helps in adding any program on the quick launch bar? The right click option helps in adding any program on the quick launch bar. To add, you can add as many programs as you want. You can right click on the quick launch bar option on the send to menu. Now, fourth one, under which tab is the thesaurus option present? The thesaurus option is present under review tab. What do you call the printed output of the document? The printed output of the document is called hard copy. So the answers are RAM, Microsoft Edge, right click, review tab, hard copy. So my dear children, learn the chapters properly and go through each and every points. If any problem is there, you can ask me during the Zoom classes. Do all the objective questions in your book as well as in copy. Stay fit, stay well. Thank you.